All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to update your apps on your Android phone. So just go ahead and pop into the Play Store. It's the big play button in the center of the screen on the bottom. And then inside of here, you should be able to see your Play Store homepage. You want to go ahead and click on your icon in the upper right-hand corner. And then what you want to look for is you want to go down here where you see Manage Apps and Device. Give that a tap, and it'll tell you how much space you have on your device and how many updates you have available. You can also go to Manage, and you can see all the apps. You can click on Updates, and you can manually check all the ones that you want to update, or you can just go back. And then here on the first little tab, you could just click on either See Details or Update All. So you can click on See Details, and it'll show you all of them that want to update, and then you can just be like, well, we'll just go ahead and update all of them. And that's it. It'll slowly start to go through and update all of your apps so that everything is up to date. But yeah, that's it for this one. This is how you mess with the App Store to get all of your apps to update. Once they're done, you can just go back to your home page and you're set. So I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.